so close to making him pay.
Revenge and justice are not the same thing.
Thank you.
And your grandmother is gone. Your father is gone. You are all I've got left. And I'm going to be around for a very long time because I'm a very healthy old man, okay?
Alright, so here's the deal.
What are you doing?
Okay?
What are you doing? Huh?
I'll put these out all together.
That was nasty. Ah!